Spain from peppers that Christopher Columbus brought back to Europe with him. The monks, at the behest of Charles V, cultivated those peppers, which is how they found their way into the Lavera region of Spain. Local farmers began growing the peppers, which are collectively referred to as pinnium. This resulted in them eventually becoming a regional tradition. The industrialized production of the peppers would start toward the end of the 17th century and would grow to become highly developed by the middle of the 18th century. It was during this period that the cultivation of the peppers in the Murcia region began. Paprika from Murcia would take on its own distinct character. In the years since the 18th century, the Lavera and Murcia regions have become the leading producers of the Spanish paprika. Today, there are many varieties of Spanish paprika, with smoked paprika being the most distinctive. Smoked paprika is called pimentium humido and is produced by smoking the peppers over oak wood. Hi, my name is Doretha and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today we're going to be preparing a dish for the spice of the month, which is smoked paprika for October. And the recipe is grilled corn with smoked paprika lime butter. The ingredients we need for today's recipe are non-stick cooking spray, 4 ears of fresh corn shucked and cleaned, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 teaspoons of fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. The recipe for today comes from a book you can check out here at the Live Oak Public Library. It's The Pioneer Woman Cooks, The New Frontier by Ree Drummond. So I've grilled the corn on the grill outside. You spray the top with a non-stick cooking spray, and then you put the 4 ears of freshly shucked and clean corn on the grill. Cook for about 10 minutes until tender, and you turn occasionally. And you'll get this little charred grilled effect on the corn. That's when it's good. You want it to be tender. And then I have microwaved the butter here in the bowl, which is 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 teaspoons of fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll stir that together. We've got the grilled corn on the platter here, and we're just going to pour this over the corn and roll the corn in the mixture. Cleaned out. So just turn the corn around in the butter mixture until it gets coated. You see the grill marks on the corn. That's what makes it taste good. All right, and then for the last step, we're going to garnish the top of the corn with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please look for more from the Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.